Hey guys, another grand rising again, giving thanks and praise unto the Most High. Welcome back to our channel. I'm here with my wife Natasha this morning, making breakfast. We are camping out.
So yes guys, we are at Sun Retreat Campground. So we're here at the cottage and we're about to make some delicious breakfast for the kiddos. So we're gonna be making some eggs, some eggs, some bacon, some hash browns.
Guys, sit. Yum, yum, yum. So we're gonna start the ball rolling now. What mommy now is in the kitchen now, you know, cooking up. We love it here, I tell you, it's nice.
Yes.
A very nice, beautiful morning. If you notice, it's like it's nice and bright inside here. Just the sun coming in from the outdoors, you know. So now we're gonna get some breakfast going because I tell yourself, boy, you know, I really want to get something to eat. And the kids is so excited. Here comes Josh. Here comes Josh. Here comes Josh. Here comes Josh. Come here, Papa Josh. Come here, Lemo. Here up your YouTube family.
Yes, YouTube family.
Josh, man, slick up, you know, sleeveless, muscles.
Showing up the muscles this morning, Josh. Rich, you want to say morning? Say morning.
You want to say morning? Come say morning.
Say morning.
To the YouTube family. Look in the camera now. And say good morning, my YouTube family.
Good morning.
Say it's your girl Rachel.
Rachel.
Say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Say mommy making breakfast.
Mommy making bread.
My favorite.
My favorite.
Love you.
Love you.
See you in a bit.
See you later.
Say remember to like, subscribe, share, comment down below.
And subscribe. Bye, guys.
Good job, honey.
See Rachel, guys. It's Rachel over there with her toys playing. Where's Leah? Let's see. Hey Leah, could you peep? No peeping? Yes, inside the bedroom getting ready. There's Josh. There's Richie. Hi Rich. Come play with your toys. Leah just getting ready, okay? Mom, you're good?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's the eggs. You can scramble the eggs, guys.
Yep. We have our eggs, guys. Yeah. How much is that?
18.
18. Yeah. See, guys. 18 eggs. That will last for a couple of days, you know. Because we have go home until when we are go. Wednesday we are there, you know. So we're making lots of videos for you guys. And then now in a short while after having breakfast, we're going to show you a little now of the outdoors and give you a tour of the camping grounds. But a lot of people leave out. So it was a long
weekend, yes, and today's Monday.
Yeah, so a couple of guys will leave out, but when you look around, there is tons of trailers.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some onions in, not too much, into the egg. Rachel's playing hide and seek. She wants to play hide and seek with Leah. Oh my goodness. And guys, Josh went for a walk. So he's recording while he went for his walk.
So yeah, guys, I'm out here just going for a morning walk. Well, it's summertime. It's nice and hot, or warm. It's not even really that hot. It's nice breeze, you know. So just walking around. Don't know how long I'm gonna be out here for. Maybe for a little bit. Maybe till breakfast ready. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just going around, just walking, enjoying the outdoors. Now, I'm kind of glad I came out here because, like, as I said, it's like nice and warm. But like, I'm really seeing like how like a lot of people really do like live here. Like I'm seeing, because I don't really want to show, but like I'm just seeing like how people set up their RVs and whatnot. I'm seeing like, you know, just how people are living here, man. Because you know, there's people that come here just to stay here for like a couple of days and whatnot, like how we're doing. And there's people that actually like live here and they set up their RVs and whatnot, have their patios and all that, you know. It's really cool to see, man. Even a sprinkler. Like, we ain't gonna bring no sprinkler for no 4 days. These people are here for the whole summer, so, you know. But But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up. It's really, oh, puppies.
What are you playing? Peekaboo? Hide and seek?
I found you here. Yes, play hide and seek.
Mommy making nice breakfast for you.
Yes, play hide and seek. Yes, play hide and seek.
Make it hide now because food getting ready. Make it hide it. When my belly full, let me hide.
Yes, play hide.
Can't hide in her empty stomach.
No,
what
sir.
if she can't find you? You stop.
Yeah, I know. Don't play hide and seek now. Me have to go come out because too me hungry. Me can't hide for long.
No. Okay, guys, and now we're gonna put some sausage in there. It's just chicken sausage.
Oh, Mom, you have everything.
Of course, I have everything here.
It's like you're at home.
It's like a home. See? Everything. You know? You know me. Always packing.
Chips and all of that for them kids. And inside here, now, Mommy, what we have in here? We have barbecue, burger, and we have hot dogs, sweet pepper, and your chicken and the ribs in.
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna do some of this for the breakfast tomorrow?
Waffles?
The waffles?
Maybe not this morning, but tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So guys, I'm just putting the sausage into the egg. Just cut it up small. Put it in here. Just add a little extra flavor in there, you know.
Now you're gonna do this now with butter, right?
Yes.
With the butter inside the fridge?
In the fridge, yeah.
You know what would I make all that nice for me? You should have put some of your shredded cheese inside of that sprinkling.
Yeah, I can sprinkle it on top.
Wow. That will make
Okay,
it
it's
nice
good.
here. So we put your butter right.
Thank you.
I have to help out, you know, guys. Can't leave everything to mommy. Good job, mom. Good job. Good
Thank you,
job.
sir. Thank you, sir.
You have the frying pan now to fry your bacon.
Yeah. I brought mine, but they have an extra one down below, so
Yeah.
I'll use it. Make sure the tummy is full before we go to the pool, you know? Yeah. And I already cut up the tomatoes. This has some Roma tomatoes I cut up. Just adding it in. Add some salt and black pepper.
Mommy's making. Mommy's making this.
Yeah?
Mommy's making breakfast.
Yes, mommy making breakfast. You gonna eat breakfast?
No, okay.
Oh, good girl. I'm gonna go fry the hash browns. You good?
Yes.
Yes.
Give me.
Mommy gonna go fry the hash browns.
Give me. Give me.
So what you want to say now to your YouTube family? You want to tell them to do what? Like and?
Like, subscribe, and click the bell, and comment and share. And listen there. Let's do it in live.
Good job, Grace.
You're so smart. She know it, you know. She know the button for the YouTube family. You know.
She know the intro and
Guys,
she know
you
the
see
outro.
that? And you know
She
how
knows
old she is? 3. Yeah, she knows
She
the
knows
intro, man. Yeah. Yes, she does. Rachel, very, very smart, guys. May I tell you, smart beyond smart.
You know what, guys? And we didn't teach it to her. One day we
She
heard
just
it like.
keep watching.
Yeah, she was playing and then we realized, but wait, she's saying the intro and she's saying the outro. She just learned it on her own because she watched the channel so much. She'd be like, I want to watch Long More Family, and she would lie in bed and watch our channel and laugh. She said she want to watch Rachel. She want to watch Rachel and Slide. She want to watch Rachel, Princess Rachel. She actually tell you what she wants to watch. Rachel is too smart. Hey, Rachie? Are you a smart girl?
Yes.
Yes, you are a smart girl.
Josh is back from his walk.
Came back.
Josh? Yo. You here? Why you do the right thing? I see my boss all sweating on me.
What?
Why I go boss sweat and come back in? Yeah, man.
I'm gonna put the hash browns on and then I'm gonna put the bacon on the back burner.
your stove too, you know.
Yeah.
See the burner?
Alright, so now I just want to fry some bacon. Go. Those. Some more. We like our bacon crispy, guys.
Then next now you have your egg going. You know what I enjoyed last night, Mommy? That the thing that you made, the cheese with the cheese inside.
Oh, the pierogies?
The pierogies.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was so nice with the barbecue chicken.
Yeah.
So Mommy now Mommy, what you have you cut up your tomatoes and all of that inside and this side. You're gonna put some cheese inside it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you already have the shredded one, right?
Yes, I have the shredded one.
Oh, okay.
Easy, you know? When you're on vacation, you have to make it a little bit easier.
Mommy, come on. My door. My door. Okay, that's my door. That's my door. Come on in. Yes.
Coming to come up?
Almost there, almost there.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, honey.
We're going to win the water.
Huh?
We're going to go to the sea.
Oh, you're gonna go in the sea? Well, there's no sea here. You're gonna go in the pool?
Yeah, I really go to the pool.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really go to the pool.
But you know what? Whose is this?
It is Josh.
This is Josh. I want to show you something. Come, look. Look what I have here for you.
What?
Look.
What? What is it?
Look.
What is it, Mom? What?
Whose is this now?
It's Leia.
No. This is yours. I know Leah has one. So we got you your own because Leah has one and Josh has one.
It's Rachel's turn.
This is Rachel's goggles. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Show Daddy. Say, Daddy, this is mine. Because I love Leah and Joshua's.
It's Leah's Joshua's.
So we got you your own.
This is see, Daddy?
Yeah, man. You want me to open it for you?
Yeah. Go, go.
Go, Daddy, go.
Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go.
Yeah? You sure gonna go see?
Yours.
She's happy. Yeah, I'm gonna go do the eggs now. Okay. So that's done. Okay, I'm just gonna add some cheese to the egg. Just a little bit. Yummy.
Boil it up some water to make some chocolate tea. instant original chocolate.
Mama.
That's right. So guys, we're about to have our breakfast. Here's the spread. Bacon, scrambled eggs with cheese in there, hash brown, toast, and Daddy loves his lettuce. My dad?
Yep.
Here you guys dig in.
Where's the start? If you want hash brown?
Okay. Hey, I don't like pasta.
You don't want that one?
I don't want it.
What do you want?
Pasta.
What's it?
What do you want then?
You want some egg?
Try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try.
You want bacon?
I want breakfast.
This is breakfast.
This is breakfast, baby. So guys, I'm gonna dig in. We'll check back with you guys when we're done breakfast. See you guys soon. You guys gonna go riding?
Yeah.
Okay. Rach, you gonna go ride?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So guys, we're gonna go take a little stroll. Ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm ready to go on a bicycle.
Yes, you're gonna go on the bicycle? I love your sunglasses. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
You're stuck with Mommy and Daddy Rach. So guys, Daddy and I and Rach, we're just gonna take a little stroll. The campground is huge, guys. Look at that. Hey, Rach, you're gonna pedal? Pedal. Good job, Rachie. Good girl. Yeah. Hmm?
I do it myself.
You what?
I can do it.
Yes, you can. You were doing it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do anything you want to do. Yeah. You're doing a good job, Rachel. Oh, there they are. Hi, guys. Hi, Josh.
Oi.
Hey, girl. A lot of people still here today, man. Happy 4th of July to our friends across the border.
Mommy. Good mama.
You don't go.
Boy, I feel I fall. It's too high. I tell you, it's too high.
No, man, you're good. Oh, mama.
Richie!
Mom. Oh my goodness. You know Richie's doing better than you. Yes, mommy. She's saying we. You're going too fast. Yeah. Richie, what's your mommy doing, man? What are you, mommy?
How many years have I ridden a bike? Too long. Then you guys don't know how old I am. Oh yeah, the bike was too high. Oh, that was nice.
Oh, it's some good exercise, man.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, and Daddy is riding. This is a huge trailer. This is one like what we're staying in, but this one is bigger. Look at the stairs and the deck. Nice. Daddy, you see this one? Like what we staying in, it just it's bigger.
Nice. I like the kind of one.
Huh? Which one?
Keeping it up like them care.
Oh, it's like a little garage. Oh, look at how that one. That one looks so cute. The iron rails. That is nice. Wow. Beautiful. And everyone has a little golf cart. Huh? Which one? Oh, with the car. That's cute. Oh my goodness. I like that.
Look, you see the car? That's
Rich.
that's our real car seat, Richie.
Richie, look. Look at the car. Look. Yeah. You turn part of the car into a bench. Look at Daddy. Daddy checking it out. Cool, eh? Oh, look at how beautiful. These guys did theirs. It's gorgeous. Look at this one. They have a little bar there. That's so cool. And a lot of people have like these storage units. It's really nice. Look at who is this trailer is Daddy. We need something big like this for 5 of us here. This looks like a big one. I love camping. I think it's so relaxing. You know? Huh? Oh, look like the doggy. Yeah, see doggy. Hi doggy. We're gonna go check out the pool, guys. They have 2 pools. Nice. Rach, you excited? Yeah? Huh? Yeah. What you guys want to do? Rent one of these?
Yeah, I mean,
huh?
could be an option for Rachel, but no.
Which one? Oh, for Rich?
First I was saying this one.
Oh, but it doesn't have seat belts on. None of them, yeah.
I don't know if that would be a safe suggestion.
Yeah, I think she might fall.
You see them have one where you can put somebody next to them.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, the double.
The blue one.
This one, you guys gonna do this one?
And it has this part that you can stand up on.
And it has a...
For Rachel.
Oh!
For Rachel.
She could stand there?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure you can. I want a class.
Huh?
This one looks nice. Number 2.
Number 2. You're marking it? Okay, let's go.
Let's go swimming.
Oh, let's go swimming. That's right. Josh?
My bum hurts.
That was a good bike ride session. Now it's time to go swimming. I'm ready to go swim, man. It's so hot out. All I need to go is jump in the pool. So we're now at the swimming area. Look at this little thing. It's cute. Rich!
Look at that.
You excited?
Look, Rich. Wanna go?
Yeah. We're gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice today. The sun's out. It's nice. Ooh, I can't wait to go get in there. Oh my gosh. All right.
Let's go, Richie.
Go, Richie! What? Rich! Whoa! You like it?
You like it?
She likes it. It is cool, but it's nice. It feels nice in the hot sun. Go, Rich! Go under! Go under! Go, go, go! Go under! Do you like it? Oh, it feels nice.
Okay, hold my hand.
Go, Rich. You like it? Hello. Is that big? Rach! Josh! They're enjoying the water. Hi! I'm coming right now. So nice. That music playing. We're gonna go in the pool. Cause we've been in the kiddie pool this. Whoa! We've been in the kiddie pool the whole time. We haven't gotten in our pool. It is? This water? No, I think it's cold. You think it's cold? Oh! Take off your glasses! Come, Richie, come, bucket!
bucket. Come on.
You missed the bucket. Oh no, go again, go again, go again.
Get the bucket. 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 Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? What is going on? Oh my god. What was that?
So guys, now we're in the big pool. It is nice and warm. It's warmer than in the kids' pool.
Place is the ball.
How do you know?
It says right here, Sun Retreat.
Does it actually?
No.
Put the ball down. It's not even good.
Oh my, 20th, their 20th anniversary. That's why.
This pool is way warmer than the kiddie pool.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
And deeper, watch.
Josh went a little too far. I had to pull his hand and save it.
He went down like doo 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 doo.
I know.
You okay,
Not
Josh?
even a bar. It should be a roof. Josh is being a little too brave.
Why would be a little bit more brave? Oh man.
He said he's gonna be brave.
But you have to hold his hand.
Yeah.
Kick your feet.
Pull me.
Improve your arm.
No.
Oh, the fish. Josh, fish. No. No. You hungry? Are you trying weak throats? You hungry?
Some nutrients in the blood.
Boy. Good thing I have my other hand.
I know.
I can drop your phone.
Never mind.
Oh, okay. Thought so. I've seen Dad and Rach from here.
Mom's the ultimate cameraman. She's in the water.
I know.
Swim to me, Josh. Swim to me.
I'll walk to you.
Rescue. Let's swim in the water. Hold on. Okay, swim with me. You know how to swim underwater?
No, underwater.
Yes.
I didn't plan on wetting my hair.
Under the water.
Your hair already wet. Just saying.
Okay.
All right. And go.
Go on.
Find my glasses. Let's do that again.
Go again? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I think she beat you again, Josh.
She said, let's have a race under the water. She goes.
She forgot.
I was just scared to run into someone.
Well, I'm just scared to die because I couldn't breathe.
I look at Nur and Josh is like,
I had to use my last piece of breath to grab it, man.
Another try, Rick. Another one. Another try. Go, Richie. Go. Fun with the kids.
Don't come at the left turn. She said, your turn.
Alright, Mom, give it your best shot.
Oh, that's a
Good job.
Richie. You want to sing? Good girl. Wow, Richie. Good job, Rich. Good job. Yeah?
Oh, Tutu turns back and down.
Josh, when was the last time you got on your mommy's shoulder? Josh, why she happy enough? Oh my gosh! Oh, help Oh my God! Alright, Daddy. What are you doing? Your best.
Another one.
You're not going to go for this.
You want to come closer? You miss again.
like this. Do it. Your turn.
Wild life.
Like this. Hold on. Hold on to it.
Close. Almost.
Inside as well.
Huh?
Eat.
Yeah. But the water warm.
Warm to you over there in a long time.
There you go.
So you gotta hold on now.
You underwater.
Surfing.
You alright, Richie? Huh? You look like you want to sleep. Show her face. Come to these two girls. Girl, I think it's a song. Girls wanna have fun. They just wanna.
I met a girl. It is.
Girls just wanna have fun.
You just wanna.
Sun gone in.
Are you ready? You've been doing good out here, man.
Oh yeah, that's And the thing is, them hot dog are supposed to taste good because it's called them are fussing on some seasoning, you know. So it's nice and soft, you know. You know, spring him out and now just come smoke him out here.
Yes.
You have to put some cheese on it now and melt him off, you know. Yeah. So put some sauce on the barbecue sauce.
Looks good, looks good.
Yeah, that tastes good. Looks just as it is, you know.
I know.
I don't remember the nose. We just stir this, don't turn them that over.
Put it on the cheese.
Let's put down them cheese that over.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hamburger, Josh. Loaded hamburger. Boy.
I got a hot dog too now.
And they got hot dog and hamburger.
Where am I not? Where am I?
Me.
Yo, wait.
Yes.
There's yours now, Josh.
Thank you.
Josh was jealous for a second.
Want me to go eat one? What you want, burger?
Just a hot dog will be fine. Thank you.
All right. Try at the same time. Cheers.
Joshua praying. It's like, thank you, Jesus. It's so good.
We're
Thanks to the Almighty.
Food to eat. Belly full. Roof over your head.
Rich is gonna wake up to some pleasant surprise.
Wow. Richie having a little nap. She was tired.
I know. Ain't nothing better.
This is good.
Yeah, I know. Nothing better than waking up to some food.
I'm telling you.
Okay, ready?
Yes, thank you.
Make sure we toast your bread for you, you know?
Yes, you know, I like my bread toasted. Thank you.
I never like to eat hot dog and burger. It's like the burgers have a nice taste and then the hot dog now taste come and change the whole.
I like to eat them separately.
Yeah.
So which one you having now then?
That's what we should have done. We have a nice stack of burger here when we have built for myself.
Double stacker?
Double stack.
Wow.
What? Okay, McDonald's.
Yes, Big Mac.
And then after that you want to see what next up on it?
I know what's coming next.
What's coming next?
Which one is it?
Lettuce. I like Canada lettuce.
Yes, sir.
Aye. My bread well toasted, you know, nice and warm.
Good to go.
Yeah, man. Your time now for Coco. Make sure you guys eat up. You know?
Yeah.
Everybody good.
Wait. Oh, this is right here?
Yeah, man.
The Longmore Supreme. That's what you want to call it?
The Supreme, I know.
Oh, so what you put on there? You put on ketchup, mustard.
Yeah, hot sauce.
Yes, hot sauce.
We're good to go, you know, okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know, make sure you eat up now, you know? Yes, guys, so some ribs I got you on and now it's still in it, see? Seasoned to the teeth. I'm thinking I seasoned from 3 days ago. So, hesitate, you know? What is our one name, John? Right here?
The Longmore Supreme.
Longmore Supreme.
What? I gotta stand up for that one.
Bubble, and we not seek no trouble. Bubble, we are bubble, and we not seek no trouble. You see the ribs?
So that's the Tiger with hot dogs.
So we get the fire pit rolling now? Fire pit? Yeah.
What you doing?
Making macaroni pie. I already added the milk and the eggs. So I'm just going to add some salt and black pepper. Yeah. And the cheese. Cheese already grated, so it's easy.
Saves you work.
Especially on vacation, you know. Make it easy. And Daddy will be grilling the ribs.
What else are we eating tonight?
So we macaroni pie, the ribs, and coleslaw.
Ooh, yummy.
Yeah. That's for dinner tonight. So what do you guys have planned for later on tonight?
I'm not sure yet.
No?
I don't know. Guess we'll see what the night takes us. Josh says s'mores.
Just as s'mores.
Guess we're doing s'mores. More cheese.
No cheese. Yeah. It's very convenient that we have a full kitchen here. Yeah. So I can still cook you guys full meal, right? I'm just gonna stick it in the oven. And that's it.
What are you doing?
Relax.
You're gonna relax?
Yes.
You tired from the pool too, Josh?
Tired
Rich?
from everything, man.
You done?
Long day?
Josh! Oh my god. Josh! Josh! He's sleeping already. Josh is sleeping. Mom is cooking dinner. Dad's also cooking dinner. Rachel's sleeping. What am I doing? Just here.
There.
I kind of want to sleep.
You holding the fort?
Ah, she's right.
Yeah, so just add in some cheese on top. Lots of cheese. And lots of cheese.
This is your famous pie. Your
Yes.
famous macaroni and cheese pie.
Famous macaroni and cheese. And that's good. Just gonna put it in the oven. And we will be ready. It's in there. Put it at 350.
Now we wait.
Now we wait.
Alright, so me and Josh are gonna go do some s'mores. Ready, Josh?
Yes, man, I'm ready.
Ready? Ready to make some s'mores? Yes. Alrighty, let's go.
Yes, I. So, some ribs we are run tonight, you know. Tonight, how long now we don't have them? Tonight, Sunday we come?
Yeah.
And everything are from scratch, you know. Them things I don't know where cook and bring, you know. Them things are seasoned and come. So, guys, with us there at the finishing touches and how to the ribs, you know.
Looking good.
Oh, yeah, man. They look nice. They come out good. Real original way we are cooking now. You know, tonight I know nothing to do with half cup of this and half cup of that. And thyme and scallion and onion. You understand? I just hang now with the family and I prepare some ribs, you know. Last night we do the chicken last night, the taste good to me, you know.
Yeah, it was so juicy.
Yeah, man.
Oh my goodness, it tastes really nice.
Good.
Yeah,
Well, I want to make you know so the same level your ribs up on it tonight.
it's looking so.
What we are eating with again, mom?
I made macaroni pie and coleslaw.
What? Yeah, make we eat like some Sunday dinner.
Yeah, you mean?
Yeah, man. I make
Because
the
we
best.
are away from home.
I know, boy, I tell you, yeah. So, guys, this now again and I'm charcoal smoke, you know, I tell you, you know. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to lock him down, you know. You want a sample of the pizza, man? Hold on, you can sample the pizza, you know.
Yeah.
Ready?
Wow.
It was melted in your mouth.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Hey, it's soft.
It's over.
Yeah, man, it's soft, man. I tell you, so the ribs are soft, you know.
Good?
Cut off all the fat off it. You want to taste it, Kid? Yes, man. You taste it, I tell you, yo. Which one I tell you?
One piece, Lee?
Mom say you want to taste it?
Oh, what do you
Here you
call
go,
this?
Leah.
One kebab.
How it tastes?
Good. That's good.
Yeah, man. Time to put my marshmallow on the stick. Gotta get this one right here. Let's get this one right. Ah, yes. Perfect. Good. Ready for the fire. Back at it again at the fire. Gotta get a little closer. I don't. Boy. Good. That's. Yeah. The roof is on fire.
Follow the leader, follow the leader.
But boy, Oh, I thought it was on fire. I thought it was melting off. Speaking of roof on fire, Joe.
You have to melt it some more.
What do you mean melt it some more? It's good, no?
Let me show you how to roast a marshmallow.
Alright, miss, I know it all. Yeah, should I put it deep in there? No.
Well, you gotta roast it.
Alright, fine. Look, see what happens when I put it deep in there?
It catches on
Then it catches on fire. I get it all for myself.
crispy.
Yeah, boy.
I just caught one on fire.
Yeah, look at you. Look at you.
I just caught it on fire. I just caught it on fire.
Yeah, you see?
Okay.
Ooh. Leah.
I'm good.
Alright, can I get a taste of mine now? With the marshmallow. Then we take this part and then we, or which way? I'm gonna do this one. Then we go.
Yes.
Whoa. Yeah, man, you squish it down like that. And then you take this.
Yes.
So the burger before was called the Longmore Supreme. This is called the Campfire Supreme.
It's good.
This is it right here, man. Richie, you're missing out, man. Wake up, man.
The roof.
It's on fire, no man.
The roof is on fire.
We get some smoke. Thank you.
I know the top part got burned, but it's still cold. Wow, it's on fire again.
I'm smelling it. Wow.
Thumbnail. Hey, let me. Lord. Hi. Welcome to Cooking with Joshua Longmore. So first, you get your.
What are you showing us today?
Put together a s'more, man. Keep up with me, man. So first, you get your graham cracker and you go. Make sure it's right down the middle, right here. Not here, and there's something here. No, man, right down the middle. So you get your little chocolate. Put your chocolate down there. You take your marshmallow. Mine get a little burnt up, but you take your marshmallow. You put it like this. Let me put it like this instead, because it's a burnt part. There you go. Slowly. Squeeze it down, alright? And you see?
S'more.
Your s'more right there. Why are you laughing? This is my skill right here, man. I'm putting together a nice s'more.
The only thing he knows how to make.
I know. Took a bite of the marshmallow.
Good? Look good.
That's how you put together a s'more. Like and subscribe. And you post notification bell, man. Because every day I'm posting a video how to put together a s'more. Boy, mommy.
Joshua?
Professional s'more maker on her.
I know. I shall take. Oh, she's gonna go for another. Oh, what? She went for seconds, man.
That's how you know it's good.
You are welcome.
You not only can make grilled cheese,
Yeah, I know.
you can make s'mores too.
Can make s'mores, man.
S'mores and grilled cheese. Specialty.
I know.
Thank you.
Let me get my s'more back, man.
There you go.
Don't worry, I'll cook a marshmallow for you. That's also my specialty.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Yes, Leah. Oh, you burn it already?
Stop. I'm putting it.
Okay, alright. If that's your style. Oh my goodness. Here, thumbnail.
Didn't expect that to happen.
I know. Marshmallow catch fire.
Let me show you how I make a s'more. Break it in half. See? Straight broken in half. Okay. Take your, what do you call this here? Roasted marshmallow. Hopefully yours is not as burnt as mine, but you know. Alright.
Leah.
Piece of chocolate. and just smoosh them. Let your chocolate melt. Yeah, just like this.
Yeah. What? Leah?
I'm trying to get the chocolate.
I've never seen this before.
It's a different technique.
Guess what? Let me see the inside of that. Let me see the inside.
My hands are so
Ay, ay, ay.
You're gonna give me first? Wow, baby girl.
Being generous. Boy.
I think that means she likes it.
Someone special has come.
Say hi, say good morning.
Richie.
Yeah, I really go fun.
Fun?
I go swimming pool is fun.
What?
That's when you know she's been sleeping for hours. She's talking about swimming pool.
Swimming pool was fun.
Oh, the swimming pool was fun.
the swimming
Yes,
was
yes.
fun.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I want chocolate.
You just want the chocolate?
Yes.
You want to try my marshmallow?
You don't want to try the
You don't want to try the s'more? You want to try my s'more? That's what you want.
Sure.
You okay, Richie? You had a nice nap. You slept a long time. You're tired.
I know. Last time you were awake, it was bright outside. Now look, it's dark, man.
She was tired.
We have to use flash on our phone, man. So you want to do, Richie? You want to eat some s'mores? You want chocolate? You want chocolate. That's what you're gonna reach for.
Yeah, so now we're having the ribs now. Mommy,
Yeah.
how much piece of ribs you have over there?
2.
Just how much you have there? Just
one, man.
Maybe because Joshua was
why it
eating.
can't be already. Why? My belly did actually full from the burger still, believe you me. I only took one little piece of the ribs because you know what? I wanna eat some vegetable, some coleslaw, and
Flying cake.
mummy and the kids' favorite pie. Yes.
Oh, Richie, eating up.
You want me in your tummy? Yeah? Good girl. Thanks, guys. We just have another dinner now, you know? After a long day, we're also tired though.
Now what, sleep?
Yeah, we're still going to get ready for bed.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna dig in. Let me sample the ribs.
Yes. Ready?
You're right, man. You taste the ribs, Josh?
Tastes good, tastes good.
Josh is the test stuff in the ribs.
Hi, Josh. What are you doing? We're supposed to go potty. Are you serious? And get chips.
It's so yummy. You want to try?
There's a $100 get chips.
All right, more from me.
So what you're gonna tell your YouTube friends now, Rachel? What you have to say to your YouTube friends? So like,
Subscribe.
look at Leah, tell it to Leah.
And comment and share. And listen that big. That's the watching right.
Good girl.
Good job, bitch.
Good girl. You're the smartest girl ever.
So, guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you loved our video, please, Richie, say.
Subscribe.
Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we post.
Comment and
Share.
and we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Peace
Bye.
And remember, guys,
Bye.
love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.